Bro. Kom här.
Yes? You will beat me up.
Don't record me, bro.
You can go to the police for that, you know
Yeah,
that?
but don't record me.
You can go to prison for
Don't
that.
record me. Do not record me.
You can go to prison for that.
Do not record me, bro.
You can
Do
go
not
to
record,
prison for that.
Bro. Not record, bro. Hey. Tana, bro.
Hey!
Do not record.
Hey! This is violent. You know? You don't do this. You don't do this. Hey! Police! Police! Police!
What policeman? What policeman?
Police!
What policeman?
Police!
What police?
Hello!
Ta min telefon därifrån.
Ringa till!
Fan, kom också, bro.
Hello!
Kom, stopp han, bro. Han, bro.
Hey!
What's going on?
Hold on.
Let me go. You don't do that, okay? Yeah, you will. You have done so. You don't do that.
Kom, det är det. Handen.
No!
Det är bara sånt där.
Stay out my stuff! You thief! Bunch of thieves! Bunch of cowards! Going to hell! Going to hell! What kind of church do you go? What kind of church do you go? Huh? Your parents train you to do so? You scum! Bunch of criminals! This is the reason why you're preaching churches like this! Huh? What are you going to do with a woman, eh? What are you going to do with a woman? Huh? Is she safe? Walking in your neighborhood? I don't think so. We were just attacked today.
Min mobil. Jag ska se om jag har
At the 15th of March.
Tyvärr så kan du inte nå mig på min mobil, men du kan säkert nå
April.
på min kompis. Jag har slutladd på min.